Braedon Russell Tolbert, the Kid Ambassador for Khaki Colored Kidz, a channel that empowers multiracial kids to embrace all parts of ethnicity.
Positive thing for me is that I get to hang out with all types of my family, the Hispanic and the African American, and eat good food.
Highlighting positive contributions that each country has made for this world. Each week, we'll be visiting a different country, discovering inventions that we all know and love and enjoy, followed by a nice cuisine made in my special kitchen. So if you're ready to go on an adventure, help me spin the globe, and let's grab our virtual passports, buckle your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Braedon.
Hi, I'm Emily. Hi, I'm Kayla. Hi, I'm Devin.
Hi, I'm Riley.
And we are Khaki Colored Kidz.
Today we're at Just for Fun roller rink in Mundelein, Illinois. Today we are visiting the country of Belgium, and they invented roller skating, so we're gonna go roller skating. Come on, let's go skate. Roller skating was invented in 1735 by John Joseph Merlin, a Belgian who famously introduced his new wheeled shoes at a party in London and promptly crashed into a mirror. Monsieur Petable patented the roller skate in 1819. His skates were inline with only 3 wheels and no way to turn until James Leonard Plimpton came along. He reinvented the wheel, patenting a 4-wheel roller skate that let wearers pivot as needed. Skating fell out of favor in the 1900s until the waitress at drive-ins started wheeling meals to customers. Roller skating quickly rose in popularity, hitting its peak in roller disco era of the 70s and 80s. Inline skates took over in the 1990s, but quad skating has once again hit its stride.
Braedon, what's wrong?
Just try.
I know what he needs. Yes. Ah! What are you doing? What? Ah! Make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz hair detailer. And make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz moisturizer.
Fun time skating. If you enjoyed that, I think you're gonna enjoy this better. So today we're making a steak tartare. So you get steak and you blend it with capers, scallions, with soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, and you should have this as an outcome. I already blended it with everything. If it doesn't stick together well, you add more Worcestershire sauce and blend it again. And if it still doesn't stick, then you just add more until it sticks nice. it should be able to be molded like in a patty form. Now, with the capers and pickles and stuff, you take this and you put it on a plate in the fridge and you let it sit for a couple of hours and it will be done. Now I'm gonna go check on mine and I'll see if it's done. Seems as if it is done. So you can cut it. When it's fully brown, you know it's done. But yeah, a normal Bulgarian diet consists of meat, especially fish, vegetables such as potatoes and tomatoes and carrots, because in Belgium they are kind of like farmers, so they eat stuff that they can grow and catch easily. If you made this with me, I hope you enjoy, and if you didn't, I still hope you enjoy. Bye.